Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites. Confirm your Microsoft 365 subscription is active and you know the account email and password. Once done, make sure your computer runs a supported OS and has recent updates applied because installers check system files. Next, free at least 4 GB of disk space and connect to a stable network. Now sign into Office. With your work or personal account. This starts the license download flow and surfaces the desktop apps link you need to install. After signing into Office, click Install Office to get the official installer. This avoids third-party downloads. Once the installer file downloads, run it and approve any administrator permission prompts because the setup modifies system files. If offered, choose Default Install to get all core apps or select Custom to pick only Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. The installer will download components and show progress. This can take several minutes. When it finishes, the setup confirms completion and offers to launch apps immediately. Open Word or another Office app and sign in with the same Microsoft 365 account to activate. You'll see activation complete when the app shows your account and license details. If activation fails, sign out from account settings, reboot the computer, then sign in again. Often cached credentials cause issues. If problems continue, run the Office Activation Troubleshooter or uninstall and reinstall the apps to clear corrupted files. And remember, ensure date, time, and network settings are correct. Those simple factors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.